Olha a explosão, quando ela bate com a bunda no chão, quando ela mexe com a bunda no chão, quando ela joga com a bunda no chão, quando ela sarra e o bumbum no chão.
Introducing the all-new award-winning Merge Cube. Experience augmented and virtual reality for the very first time. Play games like Tricky Temple, Dig, and Invasion. Find new kinds of games and experiences at miniverse.io. Point your phone at the Merge Cube to bring it to life, or supercharge the experience using Merge VR AR goggles. Hold a hologram in the palm of your hand.
Smart AR headphones.
The Aura-X is the world's smartest headphone. That means with the Aura-X, you can watch music videos, play casual games on the subway, or just listen to your favorite tunes on the go.
The Aura-X is a brand new product category. It opens up a world of possibilities in hands-free mobile computing.
It allows you to check notifications, share content on social networks, and much more. The Aura-X includes a patented AR display, camera, position sensors, 50mm speakers for a rich audio sound, and a touchpad for control and interaction.
If you're into fitness, you love it because you can go to the gym and being able to see through the glass.
Mobile music. Now you can see the music.
But I think a world of new possibilities with augmented reality. That means we'll have digital information overlaid on everything we see every day. Or to make this Indiegogo campaign a reality and take headphones to the next level with the Aura-X.
Introducing Canary Flex, the wire-free, weatherproof HD camera that takes security to unimaginable places. Beautiful inside or outside. On sunny days or braving the elements. Plugged in or wire-free. In the middle of the night or the middle of a story. Seeing what's up or down. Catching furry little criminals. Or watching your new vase being delivered.
Package delivery.
Working alone or as part of a family. For here, down here, up here, here, or there. Under here, up here, there, or even in here. You know, with the valuables. For a million different things, engineered into one beautifully designed package. Canary Flex, the inside or outside, plugged in or wire-free, weatherproof HD security camera. Canary, live life in the know.